On to Brownlows, new edition today, very rare. This Citroen Berlingo has done 1,200 miles. It's up at 16,995, it's a 22 plate with mobility access to the rear. It's a 3-seater, 6-speed manual diesel. It's like brand new. Where do you get them? Inside the Berlingo we have the full velour trim with the green and black contrast stitching, full digital display, volume controls on a multifunction steering wheel, it's got cruise control, it's a 6-speed manual. This car, as I said, has done 1,277 miles since new. Full service history, one owner, it's a 22 plate. It's like brand new, this car. Come and see Dave, Brownlow Cars, Darlington, Haughton Road.
We believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust.